Aisha had always been a curious soul. Growing up in a small village in the hills of northern Pakistan, she spent her childhood dreaming of far-off places and reading stories of distant lands. But life had other plans. She ended up taking over the family business after her father passed away, putting her dreams on hold. That is, until the day she received a strange letter. It was a cool autumn morning when the letter arrived. The envelope was old and weathered, sealed with an unfamiliar emblem, a crescent moon intertwined with a rose. Aisha didn't recognize the handwriting, but what puzzled her more was the lack of a return address. Inside, the letter read, "In the heart of your village, beneath the oldest tree, lies a secret that can change your life. Follow the clues, and you'll find what you're destined for. But beware, once you start, there's no turning back." The words sent a chill down Aisha's spine. What could this mean? Was it a prank? Or was there really something hidden in her village, something she had overlooked her entire life? Despite the warning, Aisha's curiosity took over. The oldest tree in the village was the ancient banyan tree in the town square, said to be over 300 years old, a silent witness to history. That evening, under the cover of darkness, she crept to the tree, flashlight in hand, circling the massive trunk and inspecting every crevice. Just when she was about to give up, she noticed a small carving of the same crescent and rose that had been on the letter. Her heart raced. She pressed her fingers against the carving, and to her astonishment, a stone panel shifted, revealing a hidden compartment. Inside was another letter, even older than the first. The parchment was yellowed, the ink faded, but the message was clear: "You are the keeper of a great legacy. To unlock its power, you must find the 3 keys hidden in the places where light and shadow meet. Only with the keys will the truth be revealed." Excitement and fear battled inside Aisha. What legacy was this letter talking about? And what were these keys? For days, she was consumed by the mystery. Her quest took her to forgotten corners of the village, to places she had never noticed before. She felt as though she was being guided by something beyond her understanding. The first key was hidden in the old mosque, where the setting sun cast long shadows through latticed windows. The second key was buried by the riverbank, where moonlight danced on the water at dusk. The third key, the hardest to find, lay in an abandoned house at the village's edge, where morning light filtered through a broken roof. With all 3 keys in hand, she returned to the banyan tree. Her hands trembled as she placed them into the hidden compartment, one by one. A soft rumble echoed, and the ground beneath the tree shifted. A hidden door creaked open, revealing a staircase that descended into the earth. Aisha's breath caught in her throat. There was no turning back now. She descended the staircase, her heart pounding. At the bottom, she found a small chamber lit by a single torch. In the center of the room sat an ancient chest, covered in dust. Aisha approached it cautiously, keys still in hand. When she unlocked the chest and opened it, she was stunned by what she found: an old book, bound in leather. The title read, "The Legacy of the Guardian, a Guide to the Lost Knowledge." In that moment, Aisha understood. The legacy wasn't wealth or power, but wisdom, ancient teachings meant to be protected and shared with the world. She had been chosen to carry this knowledge forward, to help others unlock their own potential and guide them toward a better future. Aisha left the chamber, the book clutched tightly in her hands. A sense of clarity and purpose filled her. She realized that true fulfillment doesn't come from material gain, but from using our gifts and knowledge to help others. Moral lesson: the true legacy we pass on isn't wealth or power, it's wisdom and the ability to guide others toward their potential. In seeking purpose, we must look beyond material desires and recognize that real success lies in helping others grow.